Get this go back.
She told me, do you want to record it? I was like, I just want to drink it.
But you saw it. Oh, they asked you if you want to record it?
I just want to drink the coffee. I don't care. So it's all good. So first, look. Really? Just to break it with my...
So,
oh wait, no cursing. No cursing. Okay.
No cursing.
All right, no cursing.
So guys, today is Hector's first time eating the famous Cronut. Alright,
Look good.
go for it.
Cronut. All right, hold on. I gotta wet my tongue here. A little chocolate. You know what I'm saying?
Babe, you don't use fork and knife to eat Cronut.
Look at me.
Please,
I'm a fine gentleman. Okay? Cut that out. We're doing this shit Dominican style, all right? All right, here we go. Look, cutting it with the fork and knife. Look at this. All right, never mind. Guess what, guys? I'm using my hands now.
I told you.
All right, so this was happening. Holy, look at all this.
Let's show them the inside.
Oh,
my
nice.
gosh.
Look at all this cream. Oh,
I was gonna curse.
look at all this cream. No good.
Alright, here we go. Yeah?
It's got a nutty flavor. It's pretty unbelievable.
Well, I had a cronut before, but I'm looking forward to the chocolate eclair. So.
Okay.
All
Really
right,
nice.
guys.
Hold on.
Oh.
Nah. This right here.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
That's. Yeah. All right. He approves.
Look. 2 thumbs up. I would give it a third one, but I can't really get my foot over here. All right.
3 thumbs up. All right, guys. We'll be back. Ooh, look at that stuff.
Chocolate filling. All right.
Okay.
Great.
great.
I never had that before.
Never had it. My first time. The crust is like a Madeleine cookie with
Oh,
chocolate.
really?
Yeah. Try it. Here you go.
Ah.